Hi everyone, Jeff Marion here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. There's been a major development in the 3M Combat Earplugs litigation that may finally lead to a settlement. I'll tell you what happened in this latest video. This is a series of videos designed to help you understand personal injury law. I do videos that will help you navigate the process of this 3M combat litigation, like this video. And I also do videos on other topics, like if you've been injured in an automobile crash, like this video. So make sure that you check out my channel, click on the subscribe button, and click on the bell to make sure that you receive notifications when new videos come out. I've been fighting for people who have been injured in crashes, in falls, and by unsafe products for over 25 years. I created this channel to help keep you informed and help keep you safe. Okay, so let's get into the latest development. On June 10th of 2022, Judge Casey Rogers, the presiding judge in this litigation, issued a mediation order, and she said in that order the following: that the extensive discovery has identified all of the relevant evidence, that the motions and their rulings have outlined all of the legal issues in this litigation, and that the 16 bellwether trials with 19 plaintiffs has defined what she called unparalleled insight into the relative strengths and weaknesses of the plaintiffs' and defendants' cases. She also said, and I'm taking this quote right out of the mediation order, "At this stage, there can be no reasonable dispute that the litigants in this multi-district litigation have more data points about individual claims and the broader whole than any other litigants in the country." Judge Rogers also noted that when you take into account the 230,000 plus cases that would be remanded back to those 94 judicial districts that we have, now, please note for a second that that's down from a high of a little over 280,000 cases. That breaks down to an average of 2,500 cases per district. While some districts are going to get more than others, this is definitely going to lead to a massive drain on federal judicial resources. So as a result, Judge Rogers also says in her order, given the experience and knowledge gained by the parties as a result of the bellwether process and the burden on the federal judiciary as a result of this litigation, mediation must go forward now. So Judge Rogers has appointed Randy Ellis as a special master to oversee this mediation. She's requiring all of the lead attorneys for both sides to attend the mandatory mediation session that's going to last at least 3 days and start on July 15th of 2022. And she did in her order name names. So do you have any questions about this litigation? Please leave them in the comments section below. I check back on the regular, and I'm always happy to answer your questions and hear your comments about the channel. To sum up, what Judge Rogers is saying here is that, hey, fun's fun, but there's no need to keep litigating these cases and clog the courts when we have trials already in the books and we know how these cases are likely going to pan out. So watch this space, and if I hear anything about a settlement, I'll hop on YouTube and tell you all about it. But in the interim, make sure that you have a copy of your DD-214 and copies of your medical records proving your injuries. If you're service-connected for hearing damage or tinnitus, try to get a copy of your VA claims file, or what's more commonly known as your C file, as soon as you can. If you've been injured by using these 3M combat earplugs, you've suffered hearing loss, you've suffered tinnitus, you've suffered other problems, please contact me at 716-589-6655. I will sit down with you for free and go over your case with you. I want to thank you for taking time out of your day to watch this video. If you found it helpful, click on the like button and share it in your social media networks. Also, make sure that you subscribe to the channel if you want to learn more about personal injury law as a whole. So, until I have some more information about the 3M combat earplugs, I'll see you in the next video.